Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Hamster Kombat. Alright, so I'm assuming you're new to crypto, or I'm assuming you're new to mining projects. So Hamster Kombat is a mining project which you can join by using the Telegram bot. It's over here. It's called Hamster Kombat, and make sure it's verified like that because there are many scams. Alright, so to start this Telegram bot, just tap on play over here, and then you'll be able to access your Hamster account right away. So your Hamster account will be linked to your Telegram account just like that. So guys, the main important thing with this thing is that these mining projects are very important. Why? Because right now they may seem like they are useless because you can't sell these coins at the moment, but in the future, when this coin goes live, you can sell it and make a bunch of profits out of it. So right now, this is how you mine your Hamster Kombat, by tapping on this little icon over here. You can even tap using both your hands like this, rapidly like that, and you keep on mining and you keep on accumulating your tokens over there. So when the coin goes live, you'll be able to sell these tokens from platforms like Binance. Okay, when I tap over here, you see platforms. Just come to choose platforms. Okay, you can select Binance, Bybit, OKX, any platform of your choice, so long as the coin goes live. All right, so that's how to mine. Okay, so if you want to earn extra coins on Hamster Kombat, just come on earn section here, then come and watch these videos over here, complete these daily tasks, and you get all these extra coins. You can also come and join their Telegram channel, and then you get 5,000 more coins. Then come to friends over here. You can also invite your friends. When you invite your friends, you get 5,000 coins. Okay, then you can also invite premium friends. Okay, so when you invite people with Telegram accounts which are premium, you'll be getting 25,000 coins. As you can see, invite a friend with Telegram premium, you'll be able to get 25,000 coins added to your Hamster balance over here, guys. So that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, I sign out.